Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Today I will presentation about element of writing. My name is Novalis Bayu and my partner.
Perti Lestari.
Introduction. Academic writing is an important skill for a university student because it helps them communicate ideas clearly and effectively. Today, to produce a good academic paper, students need to understand several elements of writing. These elements include generalization, numbers, problem, solution, style, visual information. And working in groups, understanding this aspect can improve both the quality and credibility of academic writing.
Generalization. A generalization is the statement that describes a common situation, trend, or characteristic of a group. In academic writing, generalizations are often used to introduce topics before providing specific evidence. However, writers should avoid making over-broad statements and instead use careful language that reflects reality accurately.
Structure of generalization. Actively, generalization are usually supported by evidence and are expired using cautious language, words such as many, most often, and generally help writer avoid making absolute claim. By using this expression, academic writers can present ideas in a more balanced and reliable way.
Supporting generalization. Generalization should always be supported by examples, statistic, or research finding. Evidence help readers understand why a statement is valid and increases the credibility of the writer. Without supporting evidence, a generalization may appear weak or unconvincing.
Number in academic writing. Number play an important role in academic writing because they help present information accurately. Writers use numbers to describe data, compare results, and explain trends. Clear presentation of numerical information allow reader to understanding the meaning of the data more easily.
Using Using percentages are commonly used to show provision and compression. They help readers quickly understand how large or small a particular value is in relation to the whole. For example, a writer might state that 60% of students prefer online learning to illustrate a trend within a population.
Simplying less number. Less number can sometimes be difficult to read and understand. Therefore, academic writers often simply them by using expressions such as a million or billion. This practice makes information easier to comprehend while still maintaining accurately.
Problem and solution. The problem and solution approach is widely used in academic writing. It allows writers to identify an issue, explain its causes and effects, and propose possible solution. This structure encourages critical thinking and helps reader understand both the problem and ways to address it.
Problem solution structure. A typical problem solution text begin with an introduction to the issue, followed by explanation of its causes and consequence. The writer then presents possible solution and evaluates their effectiveness before reaching a conclusion. This structure helps create logical and organized discussion.
Example of problem and solution. Traffic congestion is a common problem in many cities. It can cause delay, increases pollution, and reduce productivity. Some possible solutions include providing public transportation, increasing car sharing program, and developing better road system. Each solution has advantages and challenges that should be careful evaluated.
Academic style. Academic style refer to the formal and objectively way of presenting ideas of writing, and emphasize clearly precision and logical organization. Academic writing should focus on evidence rather than personal opinion and should maintain a professional tone throughout the text.
Characteristic of academic style. Academic writing avoids informal language, slang, and unsupported opinions. Instead, writers use formal vocabulary, accurate terminology, and careful structured sentence. These characteristics help ensure that the writing is clear, professional, and suitable for academic audience.
Avoiding repetition. Repeating the same word or ideas too often can make writing less effective. Academic writer improve reliability by using synonym, varying sentence structure, and removing unnecessary information. This approach helps keep the text engaging and concise.
Sentence variety. Using different sentence lengths and structures can improve the flow of academic writing. Short sentence can emphasize important points, while longer sentence can provide detailed explanation. A balance between the two creates a more effective and readable text.
Visual information. Visual information includes graph, graphs, table, and diagrams. This tool helps present complex information in a clear and organized way. Reader can often understand traits and comparison more quickly through visual than through writer description alone.
Describing visual information. When discussing visual information, readers should focus on the most important trends and comparisons. They should describe significant increases, decreases, or factors and explain what this change means. Clear description help readers interpret the data accurately.
Working in group. Work in is an important part of academic life because allows students to collaborate and learn from the one another. Through teamwork, students can share ideas, defeat responsibilities, and develop communication skills that are valued both in education and future career.
Effective group work. Successful group work requires planning, cooperation, and communication. Each member should understand their responsibilities and contribute fairly to the project. Regular discussion, and mutual respect help ensure that the group can achieve its goal effectively.
Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding of the element of writing is essential for academic success. Generalization, number, problem, and solution, academic style, visual information, and teamwork all contribute effective communication. By mastering this element, students can produce stronger and more professional academic writing. Okay. I think. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention, guys. Good evening. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon, everyone.